about 8 o'clock in the morning, 12, and I'm just outside of Clinton, Oklahoma on I-40 West at the Cherokee Lit, taking a short stop from my journey and have a look at in the trading post, and then I'll continue on my journey. About 12, actually it's more like 5 minutes to 12 in the morning, and we're taking a stop, a rest area that's maybe 45 minutes inside of Texas from the Oklahoma border, and looks like a pretty nice rest area. Number of picnic tables, kiddie area, lots of parking, lots of shaded ramada things, and I'm hoping I can find a restroom a little ways up the trail here. There's lots of birds, real active and happy, making lots of noise, flying around. These guys over here. A little nest of crows, it looks like. Or maybe just a young crow couple doing their thing in a beautiful Texas tree on a beautiful May day here at Here's the warning. I haven't seen any yet, just a bunch of birds. The birds seem real friendly, talkative. You can see all the way across the flats. Looks like a monument. It's got some telescopes. It's a canine comfort station out there. For the canines, good to have. Got all the stars of Texas making the top of the wall here, and we got the nice welcome station here. It's got fine comfort station. Amarillo Texas, Aeromoto USA, it says on that. So no pets inside. Let's go inside and have a look. It's a beautiful windmill. Lots of information. Panhandle Heritage, saving the buffalo. Wind Ranchers of the White Deer. The future of wind energy. I'm sure it has a great future. The Wings of the Wind. Beautiful. Wind power over the ages. You can see the wind. And there's our designated tornado shelter and restroom, it looks like. So I think we'll take a stop in there. So I've made my rest stop inside and stepping out the back door. This looks like it's over where the larger rigs park, but there should be a path that goes back around to where we came in here. Why, there it is. There's that warning again. I haven't seen the snakes yet, but I know they're here. I know they're here. Probably in those rocks. I hear my birds are still going at it. They're not my birds. The Texas birds, the Texas rest area birds. There goes one. It's an impressive structure. I'm headed to the car and on my way.